Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how to enable or disable the automatic windshield wipers. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026, possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. You can access these settings through this main screen on the dashboard. So first you want to press the menu button in the bottom right, then you want to select the vehicle, and then you want to select the settings. And then the bottom, mirrors and wipers. You want to select this, and here automatic wiping during rain. You can enable it or disable it. It's up to your preference. And also you have the option of wipe rear window in reverse gear. That's also optional if you want to have it enabled or disabled. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.